Alright, whenever you are ready.
Hey guys, Felicia Marie here with Untamed Outdoors. Just got done pheasant hunting with John with Prois. Bloopers, right? Alright, let's start over. Ready? Ready?
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel, Taggin Outdoors. So I am making my way up right now to Taylor County in Wisconsin to film a group of ladies do a pheasant hunt. I'm filming it for Untamed Outdoors, and yeah, I got 3 minutes. I will be there. We will meet all the ladies, and yeah, hopefully I have a good feeling it's gonna be a lot of pheasant action. Stay tuned, stay with me, Taggin Outdoors. If you're new to the channel, please go down and hit that subscribe button below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Ready? I'm up.
It just crossed. It just crossed right in front of you. Got it. Got it. Heck yeah.
Come on, bring it here. Hey.
Awesome job, Paco.
It's alive. You can keep coming in.
Nice. Way to go. That was awesome.
That was great work.
It's a great day to be in the field today, hunting pheasants with my lady friends and Paco, the amazing pointer.
That's
Is
it?
that good?
Yeah. All right. No, that's fine.
That was good.
That's perfect.
And even have
How you ladies doing?
Oh, they got
Knocking them down?
we got 5 or 6.
Holy cow. I am sweat. I ran across that last field to get back to my car. Oh.
I literally stepped on one. It's so far.
Yeah, 200 yards.
Came right back down. We'll get it.
Let's get this one, girl.
We're gonna try.
Ready? Just keep walking. Stay in line, everybody. All right, it's a rooster. I see one right here. Everybody ready?
Oh!
Turn around. Turn around. Take him. Boy, they're tough.
Whoo! He took some rounds.
Yes, he did. Right here. Turn around, shoot him. Shoot him.
So, why don't we not get super close and have you like flush it and duck?
Okay.
I think if we get too close, then it just gets us and goes behind us.
Okay.
And once it gets up in the air,
Tell you what, it's a rooster right in the bushes.
Okay.
Smoked it.
Come on. Come on.
I just wanted to run up with it. Come on. Look it. Here we go.
Come
Good
on.
boy.
I thought I actually got it. You getting tired? Come on.
Good, how are you? I hear a lot of gunshots coming this way. How much do you guys get, or ladies get? Well,
5 in the truck and another 7.
Hey, hey. Is that a video? Here comes the ass shot.
Oh, they're running out this way. Everybody pivot up here.
How do you want to pivot?
Just kind of just line up right here. Should be right in here.
She can be our point there. We're just going to keep going. Keep going. Whoa. Okay, we can keep coming ahead of ice here. Whoa. Okay.
Unlucky motherfucker.
Yeah, he has like no leg, no butt.
I see him. Landed right by those guys.
I know.
They're gonna get your bird.
Yeah, that would have been a better. What's your name? Sorry. Do it. Do it. Do it. No. Can I get a hiya?
Hiya!
I don't know it. I made my kids do that, so somebody would answer this.
Someone should stay on that side just in case it goes out that way.
It's all you.
Yep.
Right up there.
All right. Great. You want to go ahead?
I'm going to come with you.
Keep coming up.
Wait, let someone come because we got all trees in front of her.
Yeah, move over to the right more. You want to...
Just coming to you guys.
Coming to you guys.
On the ground. Yes!
All right.
You blast that?
I did. That was fun. Nice side angle and everything. Didn't go straight away. Yeah.
I didn't get that.
He'd be like, oh, you guys are cool. People eating animals.
Ready?
Get a hold. Oh, we do?
Ike, come.
Oh, we need them in the picture too. Oh yeah, there's a lot of them. This is the best one.
I did get that one. I think I can edit that too. Ham Sandy, anyone?
See, that's how I was gonna pick her up.
A ham sandwich? Yes. Is that what you said? A ham sandy?
That's what she said.
Oh, a ham sandy. I'm just joking. I knew she said that.
Okay, I'm like, well, I didn't quite hear him.
I knew she said ham sandy.
You want to just hand sanitizer? I tell you.
Okay. I don't like any of my hands dirty.
That's not my head. That's not the one I shot you.
one?
That's so bad. I don't know who's on it. That's the fucker.
All right, everybody. Well, I just got done walking around the fields. I had an amazing time. I'm here with Jackie and Jennifer, and I need to thank Jennifer. For letting me come along and letting me film everybody. It was a total awesome experience. I got to thank Jackie. The GoPro footage you guys are seeing right now is from Jackie.
All her.
Good. You are recording now for the next couple.
Live. Coming from Jackie's hat.
Okay. We're going to go around this way and then we'll start on the other field. And just work.
me.
No, it was Jackie.
That's too far. Yep. We'll get that one later. No bird. Children of the corn. Good boy, Gus. Find the bird. Get the bird. That was a hen, right? Yep. So that rooster's still here. Are they running? It's running down the trail. Yep. He's on point. I'll go in the swamp. There goes some funny bird. I have no idea. Maybe we got it on video and we can look at it later. That was a weird flush. Nice job, girls.
Yeah. I was just saying, thank God. Betcha, I think we got it. There you go. Right.
Nice shot.
All right, Jen.
I told you, 50-50.
Warm.
I am sweat. I ran across that last week to get back to my car.
Got one really beautiful rooster.
Yeah.
Yep.
Gorgeous.
More earrings.
That's pretty cool. Who shot that one? Jackie. You got that one.
Jackie, I believe, yeah.
Too far. That one will be tender. He's on point.
Fetch it! I saw you take that. Fetch it! What's right here? Almost stepped on him!
That was your rooster?
That's what you said.
Yes. That was you, because I shot after you and it's already falling. Your fucking rooster.
There you go, girl!
Nice shot.
I know he goes, and I'm like, I shot after and it was already tumbling.
Yeah. We mean business now.
Oh, awesome.
There's a rooster right here. He just squatted.
Okay.
Right there. Gus did good for you guys.
Yeah.
All right.
It's always fun to watch.
Well, thank you.
What you doing up there, guys?
Yeah. He's on point.
Is that the pen?
Oh,
Got one in a tree?
yeah. It went that way.
Did it just fly?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was in a tree and then it went that way.
He's like, hey, look, guys, I found him.
Dad, I found more birds.
Come here. Look at this. Look at this. There. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, what do you think, huh?
This is great. Like, about that other bird.
Until next time, guys, I hope you enjoyed Taggin Tales Outdoors, and I'll catch you on the next one.